Hello friends, now we are continuing projection of points lecture 2. In this lecture we will cover the side view of the point, and in the side view we will be discussing about shortest distance of point from both the plane. Okay, in the last lecture we studied about horizontal plane and vertical plane. Here we are discussing about, suppose this is horizontal plane, then these two planes, one is vertical, the front wall of your room, and this is side plane. You can consider it as either right hand side plane or left hand side plane. Okay, on your right hand side plane you will be getting view from left hand side. You will be getting view from left hand side. That is known as left hand side view. On your left hand side plane you will be getting right hand side view. Suppose this is your vertical plane on which you will be getting front view. From this right hand side we are moving like this, clockwise 90 degree. This is profile plane or side plane, and we will be visualizing on this side. Here we will be having left side plane, and downward where we will be getting top view is horizontal plane. Okay, one more plane we can consider here where we will be getting bottom view. This is also horizontal plane. For finding out this side view or the shortest distance, we require left side plane or right side plane, which is also known as profile plane. Okay, now the distance from horizontal plane is given, then we will be getting front view. In the same way, the distance from horizontal plane will remain same for the profile plane, because these two are the side walls. Okay, let us draw a question. Suppose point A is above HP at a distance of 30 mm, and in front of VP at a distance of 40 mm. It is in the first quadrant. We are plotting here HP 30 mm, VP 40 mm, approximately like this. We are visualizing from this side, then we will be having front view over here. As we discussed in the last lecture, I am sharing the link for that in description. This is the top view. When we will be moving it clockwise 90 degree or rotating it clockwise 90 degree, the horizontal plane, we will be getting A dash and A. Here it is 30. We are keeping in mind this is 30, this is 40, this is A dash, this is A. Now the line joining vertical plane, that is front wall of your room, and the side wall, we are taking a left side. Okay, the line joining that, we are plotting it as a vertical line. You can take any distance. You can take any distance. Here we are taking 20 mm. You can take any distance. It will not impact. It will not impact anywhere. Okay. Now, to find out the shortest distance or the side view, we need to project a horizontal line from A dash, that is front view. Second way, we need to plot a horizontal line from top view till the line joining vertical plane and profile plane. It is denoted by y dash and y. Okay. Now, from here we can plot like this. Take an compass and make an arc equal to it, or you can measure this as 40 mm over here and you can plot here as 40 mm. It is, we're not measuring that, it is like this. You can make an arc with compass and we will be getting the view. The line joining these 2 points will be side view A double dash. For solving the question, we are taking this line as it is, but in the final answer we will be erasing this. I am just making a dash on that due to reason that we made earlier, but right now we are erasing that. With the double dash, we will be showing the side view. This is on the left side plane. This view will be right side view or right hand side view. Okay. The line joining this A double dash and the origin will be the shortest distance. We need to measure this shortest distance with the help of scale. No need any calculation in engineering graphics and drawing. Likewise, we can plot left hand side view also in the same manner. Okay. Now, we plotted A dash and A double dash on the same level because the distance from HP will remain same for both the plane, because these planes are aligned vertical planes, but only the orientation is different. The front wall is known as VP and side walls are known as PP, that is profile plane. Same way, when we are plotting top view, the top view means distance from the vertical plane. Distance from the vertical plane over here and from the profile plane will remain same. That's why we plot these top view like this and equate. Means combination of A dash and A will provide you A double dash. This is the side view. Likewise, we can plot for second quadrant. When we are plotting for the second quadrant, you know we are taking same dimensions. We know in the last lecture we discussed about both views will be on the top of it. Both views will be on top of it. Means here we will be having A, here we will be having A dash. We are plotting any line y dash. In the last lecture we discussed this thing. If you want to, you can search the link from the description and learn it. Okay, I am sharing the link as I discussed earlier. Here we are having arc from the compass with the help of compass. Okay, now same way draw towards the A dash. Where it is meet, it will meet, it is A double dash. This is the side view. And here we can measure it shortest distance. Similarly, we can plot for third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In third quadrant, we are having top view on the above side and front view on the below side. Here we are plotting it. Keep in mind, projection line are the lightest line, the line joining A dash and A, as we discussed in the last lecture. XX dash is the construction line, it is darker than it. Dimension line and extension line are more darker than projection line, but less darker than as compared to construction line. Now we are plotting left hand side view on YY dash. Now same way we will be plotting A dash from this area, okay, and A from this area. The procedure is same, only the orientation is different. Now you can plot this area over here, means arc a compass, or you can also do one thing. You can plot a 45-degree angle line over here, 45-degree angle line over here, and straight join that, straight join. It will give same result. Here we will joining, it will give A double dash, darken the actual view, and you can measure shortest distance. Likewise, if we are going for fourth quadrant, just reverse of it, means second quadrant, we will be getting result for the fourth quadrant. Just try yourself for the fourth quadrant. If you will find any doubt or any query, you can raise through WhatsApp. I am sharing my WhatsApp number. You can raise the queries. Okay. Now here we covered left hand side view or LSV, right hand side view or RSV, and shortest distance. This is the way whereas we are saying only distance from VP and HP is given and we can find out shortest distance, but sometime shortest distance is given like 70 mm. I am just taking an example, no issue, and distance from any of the plane, either VP or HP is given. Second one we need to find out. I am just taking a glimpse of it. Suppose distance from HP is given. Suppose distance from HP is given as 30 mm. It means front view is at 30 mm distance, but we don't know about the top view. I am just taking an example line of projection, the lightest line. Okay, after that we will erase that. Now we are having A dash over here. Okay, now we need to plot YY dash line, at any distance we can use. Here we need to mark a horizontal line from A dash, means parallel to X dash, that is construction line. Okay, from this point, this is the origin, this is the intersection of vertical plane and horizontal plane. This is intersection of vertical plane and profile plane, and this is intersection of vertical plane and horizontal plane. From this point we need to make an arc to cut over here equal to shortest distance given as 70 mm. Here we are just measuring that. Okay, here this is A double dash. What we need to do is just join this line. This is shortest distance 70 mm. Now plot this downward. As we discussed earlier, we need to make a 45-degree angle line. Here we made a 45 degree line, and from here we can plot a horizontal line till a dash line, extension of a dash. This intersection is a. This distance we can measure. This distance is given 30 mm. Sorry. Okay. This is the front view. This is the side view. These two views values are given to us, and this is the top view. We need to plot, and we can find out the distance by measuring it. No need any calculation. We never require any calculation over here. Okay, because calculation will give the answer, but it is not ethical, because the concepts are engineering, graphics and drawing. Concepts are like you need to measure the thing, you need to draw the things. Okay, likewise if distance from VP is given and you need to find out distance from HP, okay, you will be starting from A till this point 45 degree angle above and 70 mm. A dash from here and plot this point and this point. A dash will become, means just do the reverse engineering of it. I'm just giving an example in the rough side. Here we get A, y dash, here 45 degree angle line, above line, here from 70 mm, it plots like that, 70 mm. It is A double dash, from here the horizontal line, from here the horizontal line, this A dash. This is the front view, you can measure. It is the top view, side view, it is the top view that is given. This view is given 30 mm, suppose this is given 70 mm, and this you need to find out. Likewise, this is the first quadrant. The same you can try for other quadrant, second, third and fourth. There is no difference, as we discussed in the previous questions about how we can plot for shortest distance in this slide. Shortest distance with the different quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. In this you can solve the fourth quadrant, and in this you can solve for the rest. If you are having any query, you can ask. You can raise your hand in WhatsApp. Okay, feel free to contact through WhatsApp, no issue. You can view the things, you can like the thing, and you can share with your other fellows so that they will also have quick review. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.